The knee bends facing out. Stand on half tiptoe with your heels and spine against the pole and hold the handles with your arms reaching to the side slightly in front of your shoulders. The springs should be taut. First, slide down the pole by bending your knees while you keep your arms at shoulder height as you go. Slide back up to return. Do it again. Bend and slide down as far as your knees feel comfortable, hold, and then slide back up. Next, you can press your arms down as you bend and watch that your knees stay centered over your foot, slide back up to return. You can also add the arm circles here. So simultaneously circle your arms down, forward, and up as you bend and return. Then reverse. With your arms in front of your shoulders, slide down, circle out, and return back up.